wow, what a beautiful day. This corn bike was amazing, but the ride is even more amazing. Hey Chimp, is it fun for you as well? I'm enjoying it like anything. Never thought this is going to be such an amazing ride. Oh, wait. What's this? Such a big egg. Chimp, what is this? Any clue? What do you think? Where would it have come from? Let's come nearer to it. Let's come closer. Let's explore it a bit. What is it exactly? Oh, this seems to be real fun and adventure. Let us push it. Come on, more powers. Come on, more powers. Come on, Chimp, push it. No, it's not working. We must try some other way out. Let me think something about it. Oh, what it should be, some idea. Okay. Oh, here is my idea, the happening idea. And here goes my hammer. You see. Come on. Oh my God. The hammer didn't work on it. Oh, Chimp. Oh, your idea just failed. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, let me try something. Your idea was just zero. Now see what I will do. Just check out my bomb. I will just blast it. We'll just blow it completely. Yay! Oh my God! We are blown. Oh, what is this, yeah? Oh, Chimp, see, what is this? It's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur. Oh my God! It's coming towards us. What to do? Let's run. Run, Chimp. Come on, Chimp, run. Let's escape. Oh my God, he seems to be angry. Run. Oh my God, he's following us. Oh, finally, he's going towards the egg. We are saved. But what will he do? Oh, he's trying his energy. Oh, and he broke it. Oh, it's a pretty dragon kid. Oh my God. Oh, this is dragon versus dinosaur. How dare you touch my child? Now you see what I do to you. You poor dinosaur.